Hi everybody, this is recording that I'm doing to update you about certain things that I have posted on Blackboard. I'm using the English 12 homepage for this particular recording, but I've added the same things for English 24 and English 30, and you'll find them in the same places. So under homepage, you'll have contact information about myself. It's the same contact information that I gave you via email. Then if you click on calendar, you will see your calendar with the due dates for your particular assignments. I've typed in all the due dates for April, May, and June, and even some for March. You can click on the particular assignment and it will tell you what it is. Submit journal entry number 4, for example. And then you know that you'll have to go to journal entries and submit it through there. I've also added a grading rubric for the course. Obviously, this type of grades are only for English 12. If you go to your course on English 24 or English 30, you'll find your own breakdown of the final grade. In all cases, if you go to journal entries, that's where you should read the prompts for the journal entries, and that's where you should click on submit journal entry number and submit your journal entries. If you go to essays or essays and peer reviews, that's where you find the prompts and that's where you find the links where you should submit your essays. And if you go to self-assessment, that's where you find the prompt, you find some samples, and you find the link where you should submit your self-assessment.